I love chicken rice, particularly Hainanese chicken rice. And if you've ever been to Singapore, to the hawker markets, that's where, in my humble opinion, you get the best. But it actually takes a lot of effort to make it from scratch. So I want to show you a one-pot version. It's a little bit of a cheat, but it works so well and you really get the essence of it. So I've just been frying off some chicken thighs. These are chicken thighs with the skin on, preferably with the skin on. If you can't get the skin on, don't worry about that. I've just given that about 2 minutes on each side to get some colour. And in this pot, you'll see all of that lovely chicken fat. That's what we want. And that has come from our chicken skin. To this, we're going to add some ginger, some minced ginger, and some garlic. I'm going to fry that up. I'm also going to add some spring onions. I want the light and white part. The rest of this is going to be a garnish. So we're just going to roughly chop that into small battens. Go in. And then the rice. Now you want jasmine rice for this recipe. I have washed it 3 times. It is important to wash it 3 times because you don't want it to be too gluggy or starchy. Put that in. And give that a stir and coat it in the ginger, the garlic and the spring onion mixture. That's looking good. And now for the stock. You'll need about 2.5 cups of stock. You want a full-bodied chicken stock for this. This one's gluten-free. It's already seasoned, so we don't need to add any extra salt. So 2.5 cups, measuring it accurately. There we go. Second one. And a half. Fantastic. Now we'll give that another stir, and as soon as that stock hits the rice, it just smells sensational. A few other classics for this, a hint of light soy sauce. We're just using light for this, just a splash, and some sesame oil. Okay. All we need to do now is place the chicken on top, skin side up, just to really show that off as it cooks. And the lid goes on, and this is going to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice has completely absorbed that stock and the chicken is cooked. All right, let's have a look at this. Oh, looks good. That rice smells so good. I can smell the ginger and the garlic. So just to plate this up, very simply, rice on the bottom. Look how fluffy it is. Perfect amount of stock to rice ratio. And we'll put a chicken thigh on top. And usually this is served with a few different condiments, so a spring onion condiment and a chili condiment, but it's all about speedy dinner here. So I've got a jar of crispy chili oil, which I think is fantastic with this. We'll just mix it up a bit and we'll add a dollop over the top and some of that oil. And the spring onions, the tops of that, I've just finely sliced and popped them into some ice water so they curl up, just for presentation. And you always have cucumber with Hainanese rice, so a few of those just on the side. Traditionally, this is a dish that would take hours to prepare, but my cheats version, it only takes 45 minutes, and I tell you what, you really taste the authenticity in it.